not a huge fan of decorating for each holiday or season, but I do like to give just a little bit of a nod to certain occasions, and it's Easter time now. I'm going to show you how to make this centerpiece. It's very simple, yet it gives a little nod to Easter without being overly Easterish, you know, with the Easter bunny and the Easter eggs and the bright colors. This goes with the interior design style that I have, and it just blends in nicely and it doesn't stick out and scream. So let's have a look and I'll show you how to make it. Let's get started. The only thing you need are some kind of a springy looking branch, and I have 3 different branches here, a glass jar, and some little speckled Easter eggs, and I've got kind of a muted color. So get all 3 of your branches, kind of stick them down in there just a little bit, and then start putting your eggs in. This way when we put the branches in, we're not going to poke holes in our eggs. Runaway egg. Okay. So there you have it. Then just kind of work your branches around a little bit. If you like what you see, maybe hit that like or subscribe button, and I would really appreciate it. Now let's get back to it. How easy was that? So simple, and just 3 simple things. And you can change out these eggs for different things, different seasons. Inexpensive way to give a little nod to different occasions and holidays. Okay, are you ready to go make your own centerpiece? I'll put some links below. Some of these things you probably can't get like this. I've had forever, but I'll put something similar in the description so that you can make this for yourself. So here's another video you might be interested in, and thanks for hanging out with me for a little bit today. Now go make an arrangement.